With the injured baby having more companions inside the nest, unfortunately, it means that some may not make it, but also redemption and trying to save another one. This is Shrek, an amazing father of two who almost never leaves the nest. He spends his time close to his wife and their chicks, always watching over them. As an owner, it's important to provide fresh water daily to the breeding pair. This ensures they stay hydrated and healthy, especially during the demanding breeding period. Do you want to know how a 5-day-old baby budgie looks? Bald and featherless, but it's the most beautiful baby bird. Recovery from the biting injury has been amazing and quick, thanks to his mother Pippi for keeping them safe and well fed. Speaking of feeding, I always provide my budgies with a variety of seed mixes that even include pellets. With the addition of liquid vitamins, vegetables and fruits from my garden, I ensure they have a varied and complete diet that supports their overall health. It's been 6 days since the first egg hatched, and now we have a new addition, our third baby budgie. You can already notice a size difference between them. I'm still unsure if the other eggs are fertile, as I haven't wanted to disturb the female. The next day, I didn't expect to see another baby, which was quite a surprise. But having a small baby means that the parents will have to work even harder to keep all the chicks fed and warm. This also means the smaller chick might need extra attention to ensure it gets enough food and care, as the older chicks tend to be more dominant in the nest. My plan for today was to go to the pet store and get baby formula to support the youngest baby budgie, but I was already too late. To prepare myself in time, I'm going to check the rest of the eggs for fertility. This one seems to be developed, the second is definitely alive and will hatch, while the third is unfortunately infertile. I'm not wasting any time, heading straight to the pet store now. It's Sunday, and this is the only pet store open today. I really need that food if I want the baby to survive. As you know, many of these toys can be made at home. Check out my previous videos for some do-it-yourself ideas. I couldn't find any baby bird feeding formula. But while I'm here, I'll pick up some millet, vitamins and iodine. Iodine is crucial, just as it is for humans, for the health of birds. When I returned, the baby budgie had already hatched and I panicked. Now for plan B, I'll make my own backup feeding formula to get us through the next 24 hours until the other pet stores open and I can get the proper baby feeding formula. For this recipe, you'll need 1 boiled yolk and breadcrumbs, known as presla in Bosnian. These are small pieces of dried bread often used as a coating for fried foods or as a topping for casseroles. Make sure the breadcrumbs are free from sugar and salt. Now mix it with water. Some people suggest adding a few drops of honey, but this mixture will be enough for a 1-day-old baby budgie. A long time ago, I got this amazing all-size parrot syringe for hand feeding. Although it's a bit too large for a baby budgie, it will still be helpful. The syringe will break down large chunks of food into tiny pieces for the baby budgie. As you can see, the female didn't feed the baby. If we don't hand feed, the baby's fate will be the same as the last one. Gently offering liquids in the beak is a good approach, especially if the baby is responding positively. Keep it slow and gentle to avoid overwhelming the chick. The crop is still empty. We need to fill it up for the night. This is temporary. Now I'm rushing to make a heating box for the baby. Will it survive until morning?
Alen.
See you in a week for an update.